Alright guys, welcome back, and today I'm reacting to Daredevil Season 1, Episode 3, Rabbit in a Snowstorm. So we left off with Matt Murdock getting some aid from Claire, who kind of teamed up with him to get some information out of this criminal that had kidnapped a little boy who Matt Murdock saved at the end of the episode. And I'm just really loving this show so far, and I think Marvel needs to do more of this, which is why I'm really excited for Moon Knight. So let's get on to episode 3.
Sorry. I was just really looking forward to throwing a few balls.
Get this moron out of my face.
Hey, come on.
Whoa.
Whoa, hey.
You got a bad attitude, friend.
Okay. What was that?
No chance of jamming up.
Man, look at this. This is top of the line. I guarantee this baby will not jam. And my name ain't Turk Bear.
It's gonna jam, isn't it? Yep. Yep. Oh. Oh. Oh no! Oh, jeez! Oh my God! Jesus Christ!
I want a lawyer.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get Murdock in here now.
Hi.
Oh no, it's this guy. Can he hear the watch ticking?
It's not just the Russians. I think maybe the Union allies handle might tie into this.
And you remember what that expose did for circulation? Dick, with a sign of who gives a shit.
This is a story. I got next.
Did that in the most creepiest way possible. The gun.
Get the hell out of my office. I've got a measles outbreak to deal with because idiot parents don't want to vaccinate, and my best nurse is out with who the hell knows what.
Idiot parents don't want to vaccinate. What's that remind you of? Oh. Yeah, the watch.
And often it's like pornography. You just know when you see it.
What?
And Mr. Prohaska's associates have refused to make a statement regarding the incident. The only other witness, a frightened young woman, has stated that my client was pleasant and friendly, and that she only saw the struggle with Mr. Prohaska after it had started. Those are the facts. Based on these, and these alone, the prosecution has failed to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that my client was not acting solely in self-defense. And those, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, are the facts. My client, based purely on the sanctity of the law, which we've all sworn an oath to uphold, must be acquitted of these charges. Now, beyond that, beyond these walls, he may well face a judgment of his own making. But here, in this courtroom, the judgment is yours. And yours alone.
Damn. That was awesome.
senses of all. I don't care about his.
Where is he? Speaks.
He's a really good lawyer.
Ever tried putting a puzzle together with a piece missing? It's damned aggravating.
No kidding. He's back.
It was a hell of a speech you gave, Murdoch. It was a hell of a speech.
Yeah, it was. Whoa. So he's now fighting him because he knows he's a criminal. Oh shit.
Who does he work for? You think I'm afraid of you?
Oh!
Tell me. Who does he work for? I can't. I want to know. Fisk! Wilson Fisk!
Yeah! Kingpin, baby!
I gave up his name. You don't do that, not to him. You'll find me. Make an example. And they'll find everyone I've ever cared about. And do the same to them. So that no one ever does what I just did. You should have just killed me. You coward.
Oh! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh! Oh god! Ah! Oh!
How does it make you feel?
Ha ha! Okay. Alright, so we finally got our introduction to Kingpin in this series. Obviously, he showed up in Hawkeye, which was awesome. And he was really great in that, and I'm really excited to see more of him in this show. This episode especially, like I thought the first two episodes were brutal. I mean, the imagery in this one, like with that guy's head through the stake and it coming out the other side, and smashing that guy's head in with the bowling ball, like, God. I just love the sound design. It reminds me of Clint in Hawkeye with his hearing loss, like the sound design and how like it changes with Matt's like senses, like there's a shift in the like the quality and the audio. Like it's really neat. This show just keeps getting better and better. Like we're only 3 episodes in, and like I love this show so far. So that's gonna do it for my reaction to Daredevil season 1, episode 3, Rabbit in a Snowstorm. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.